Hi, welcome back to my art channel. Today I was inspired by a long winter walk with my dog Boo. Short on time though, so I whipped up some custom colors to try and capture most of what I was able to absorb on the walk. I didn't really detail any of my mixtures, sad, but you'll get the gist of it. We're high and dry here where I live, barely a hint of snow. The skies were an uncommon somber blue, and the foreground was dull but bright with like splashes of dead grasses and aged yellow leaves and the brown earth, and every once in a while some evergreen popping through. I'm covering an old canvas from one of my husband's photographs. We had it reproduced on a canvas and sadly supplied them with a low resolution image, and the result was very pixelated. We didn't care for it, so I love that I can repurpose a really sturdy frame. It'll be perfect for the painting I have in mind. Sadly, in my haste, I didn't make quite as much of the base paint as I would have liked. I'm not sure when I'm going to learn that lesson. Hopefully soon. The next time. I'm going to start with brown. Layer on a nice bright evergreen. Deep blue. That deep yellow. The fire opal. And a homemade straw color. It's a mixture of cream white and gold, one being a craft paint and one being a highly metallic, high quality, the Deco Art 24K. So I'm not sure how the mixture is going to work out there. And then I've got a little bit of neutral gray. Wow, that was a really quick painting, just over 6 minutes, and I have to pack up and run and get my kids. So, wow, I really like this. It looks so similar to my walk. Like, if I weren't wearing my contacts, this could have been where I was. What is happening with all of those strong colored cells? Okay, back shortly. I can't wait to see how it looks when I get back. Well, this looks pretty wild now. I'm not sure how I feel about all of those straw-colored cells. Aside from that, the colors are amazing. I might be able to embellish. I think I just need some time and perspective. I don't think this is quite done, but I really love the colors. Really captured my walk today. Okay, I'm back again. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm going to attempt a very similar painting to the last one. This time I'm gonna leave out the homemade straw color. And sadly, it's late, kind of short on time, but yeah, I'm gonna give it another go. Okay, so I think I got a little too Dutch with my hairdryer. I do really love all these colors, but I feel like it's a much more floral looking pattern, whereas the first one had more of a landscaping flow. Yeah, I think it had more of a landscaping feel to it, rather than clusters of colors, which remind me of trees or bushes or flowers. But I really love all these colors. Oddly enough, I do kind of miss that straw color. I'd like to figure out a better mixture. yeah, you'll likely see another version of this at some point in the future. I think both of these paintings will receive some future embellishment before their top coat. I hope you enjoyed my experiment. Thanks so much for watching.